Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of Xauusd. It means gold. Now gold is going for a new high that will be higher high 5 and I will be calling it high now. So this time I have typed L for low, but for lower lows I was using LL, but in this video I am using only L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Same way, already I was using high H for high and was using higher high 1, higher high 2, but in this video I am using higher H1 for higher high 1. In previous videos I was using H1, so I'm making it simple now, just H1. For higher highs H1, H2, H3, H4, and for lower lows, lower highs L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Now this was the low of the gold, then market went up for this high, came here for lower, what we call it, this was high, this was lower high. I sometimes confuse it, but you understand this was the low, then this was the high, this was the low, this was the higher high, and this was the higher low. This is higher low too. I was using HL1, HL2, HL3. Okay, now higher low 1, higher low 2, higher low 3, higher low 4, higher low 5. What was the prices? Here it was 1616, higher low 1 was 1732 and high was 1780. If we make it a bit, it was about 1786, but here it is showing like 1784. Now after this high, this low L1, H1 was 1810. Here it shows 1809, but when we'll go deep in this was about 1810. Then came down for L2. This was 1762. The market went for H2. It was 1824. From 1824 it came down for 1773. From 1773 it went up for 1824. From 1824 it came down for low 84. From 1784 it went for H3, that was 1833. From 1833 it came down to 1797. From 1797 it went up for H4, that is 1865, a huge jump from 1797 to H4 1865, and from 1865 it came down to 1824. This is L5. Here one thing is noticeable. What was H2, higher high 2, it became here lower higher low 5, means low 5. Okay, now the market is going up for the next high that we will mention as higher high 5, and after L5, it is L5, then the market will go for H5. Now one thing that I want to other mention in this price action is that you will watch that after 1773 this was the low, and after this low, the low, where is the low? L 1797. What have I done? This is moving here. Why? What have I done? L4 is 17. L4 is here. 1795. Am I right? 1795. What is this? Okay, I have mixed some things these because I have been doing this for a long time, but I want to repeat things because if any newcomer comes here, then he will be able to understand this, but I don't want to mix it from 1770 or 1766, 1773, then there is 1784. This is not a low. Okay, ignore it now. I am confusing you. Okay, now let us see first of all that what is expected to be the next high. Okay, now I am making this chart. This is the next level that the gold is looking for. Let me put horizontal line. This is the level. This is the level at 1879. Now the gold is looking at this 1879. It will be the next high. So let me write here text H5 and the question mark. Where will it be? Will it be below or after these 1879? What do you think? If the level is broken, then it must be above. But in condition this level holds and is not broken, then it will come down. But what do we expect? This is the bullishness, and this is very high momentum of the trend, upward trend. So it is expected that this will be broken. What happens, we will know later. But what is expected, that the gold after penetrating into this will come for a L6 for a new low, and after this we have this level. Let me put the horizontal line here. This is at 1909, 1908, 1909. Yes, this will be the next high. So that will be high 6. Now let me, what is expected? 1879 is expected as a new high, and from that it will come down. I'm expecting that it will be up. It will be this is L5 at 1824. It is expected to be around 1833 or whatsoever the level. I Also, I expect it to be 1846. I don't know what will happen, but the gold will be touching the 1879. I hope you will like my this video, and please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.